when the Malay tribe settled in the western land of Negros, which was formerly inhabited by the Bani Negritos. It was during this period that sugarcane farming was introduced, transforming vast parcels of land into haciendas. This agricultural shift ultimately elevated Everest.
Again, how will you promote Talisay to the world? Go ahead, number 10.
As an advocate for media and information literacy, I always encourage everybody to use social media as the most efficient way to promote Talisay City. But we should always think that we should use it wisely and responsibly. Because I always say and encourage to everybody that media and information literacy is as important as the information you spread towards the world. And with that, Talisay City is not only a place to live, but also a place to explore and to experience. Thank you.